Hey everyone, my name is Mamta Motiyani from Designs by Mamta, and today I'm going to show you a stitch, this one. You see, this is surface crochet. These are just slip stitches done over double crochet. Um, the the yarn which I had used for this hat, for my arrows bucket hat, was the skin color. So it wouldn't have looked that good, so to add visual interest I added this stitch. So I'm going to show you this, but not over here. I have made another example, a small round on which I'm going to show you how to do the stitches. Okay, so this is a circle which I made. This is how the hat is over here. So I'm going to just add some slip stitches over here. See this over here, I'll be adding slip stitches over here as well, and on the third round there are slip stitches on first, the surface crochet over here on the first round, the second round, the third round, the fourth and the fifth round. But just for example over here I'm going to show you only for first, second and third one. Okay, so always take a contrasting colored yarn so that the design shows very nicely. For this purpose I'm using a green colored, very nice green colored uh, yarn. Okay, and this one I start with a chain. Okay, then I put this chain on the back side. I start over here. You see the chain 3 in the beginning of the first round. So I put my hook inside and I pull up this loop from the back. I pull up this loop. Okay, now I will slip stitch in the next stitch and all the remaining stitches. So I yarn over and pull up a loop and slip stitch. I do the same, slip stitch in each of the stitch, and I make it loosely so that it doesn't scrunch up. Okay, so here I'm using, for surface crochet I'm using slip stitches. It looks like chains over here. You can even do this with embroidery. Take this color yarn and then with a sewing needle you can do slip stitches, chain stitches, or you can use your crochet and do the slip stitches like this. I prefer doing it with my crochet. So it's not necessary that you have to do only slip stitches for surface crochet. Sometimes people use single crochet, half double crochet, and even double crochet for for surface crocheting. And depends on what type of texture you want for your finished product, finished project. Okay, so now I'm at the end and this will be the last one. So what I do is I pull up this loop and I just pull up this yarn from the back to the front, the entire yarn. Okay, I'll tell you how much yarn you'll need for each round. Not for each round, I'll just tell you the total number of yardage that you'll require. So in case if you're doing it this way, so I'll tell you how much yarn you'll require for doing the entire first, second, third, fourth and fifth rounds. Okay, you'll have to do this thing for every round. You'll have to pull up the loop. Now what I'll do is, you see this, I'll put my hook over here inside this chain, pull up this yarn end inside so that we have a proper chain like structure. Okay, and this I'll pull up in the back side. You see this, I'll pull it on the back side. So I put my hook over here, from the back, and then I pull this inside from front to back, and it goes inside. I just pull this up. You see this? This is seamless. And why I do it this way is because I want to use this yarn end again for the next round. For doing the next round, what I do is I just put my hook over here in the next round, the first 3 chains. Then I pull up the yarn. I pull up a loop with the yarn end. And I continue doing the slip stitches for this round as well. Like this. So again loosely. Okay, so you do it this way till the very end. Make slip stitches very loosely. Okay, I think I'm not going to do the third round, only I think you'll get it what I'm trying to do over here. Okay, so now I'm on the last stitch of this round as well, and I'll do it same way. I'll just pull up this loop, pull up this yarn end from back to front. I know it is a bit tedious, but then it looks good this way. Okay, and I try to make a chain from the inside, from these the beginning loop. Okay, and how do I do it? I just put my hook over here from this chain from both the sides. Just pull up this loop. Excuse me. Okay, and this will look like this. Then what I do is I just put my hook in this stitch from the back side, okay, from the back side, and just pull this yarn end on the back, from back to front, no, from front to back. So this one is gone over here. I just pull it up. And this is how the second round looks. So you will keep on doing it same way for this third round. That there will be fourth and fifth round, and this will be seamless. See how nice it looks. It looks like a coaster. You can even make coasters like this. See. So this is how this one is done. Okay, so I forgot to mention what you will do when you finish making all the slip stitches when you are at the end of the round fifth. So what you'll do is there will be this yarn end. You just take a needle and thread and just weave it in, and it's done. And then cut off the remaining yarn. That's it. This is the end of the tutorial for surface crocheting. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.